Hello guys, in this video I will show you how I created this landing page using Codex. Here you can see this is a header and then it created this hero section. After that all these sections are created using Codex and then this is a footer. So in this video I will explain in detail that how I created this. This is our Codex and because we are going to create something, so that's why instead of GPT work we will switch to it to Codex. Okay, Codex is for technical work, like if you want to create something like web page, if you want to create a plugin, software, whatever the thing that you will create or build, for that you will use Codex. So now next we have the options of new task and project. So now we need to know that which option we will select out of both of them. Actually for now we will select new task instead of project. The reason is that project is something that have multiple tasks. Like if you have multi-steps task, in that case you will use project. Let's suppose you are creating a plugin. Plugin is something where we have multiple files on which we need to work. So that in that case we will use the project. But now we will use a new task. And site we will use when we need to host the site on the Codex for a prototype to show someone. So in that case we will use the site, but in our case right now we are not going to use site because we already have a localhost plugin, that is WP Engine localhost. We are using this plugin for and on this plugin we can create a new website. Like from here I'll click on the plus and then create new, continue, and here I will write beauty salon. So continue. Now we will write username and password. Add the site. Now the site is creating. This is it's under process, so in a few seconds this will be added. So this is Mac is asking for password for creating a file for this website beauty salon. So it is creating. Okay, our beauty salon website is created in localhost. Now I'll click on admin to go to the page. So I'll add my password, username and password, and now I can access. Okay. So as you know, right now this is the fresh installed, so it does not have the things that they use to create the landing page like Elementor. Right now we don't have any page builder. Here you can see, we'll go here. Here you can see this is totally empty, and in the themes we have default theme. So first we need to create the environment for the landing page. So I'll go back to this Codex and I'll ask him. I will long press on it for the voice prompt. So I just created a website in the localhost. That website is beauty-salon.local. You will find this local website in the folder Abdul Wahab in my computer, in my MacBook. So go to that website, and right now it has default theme, and you need to create to install and activate Blocksy theme on this website. Please do that. It's here you can see the. So I just created a website in the localhost. The website is beautysalon.local. Here you can see you need to verify these things because sometimes it will take it as your words and it will make mistake on these special characters. Like here you can see it's taken the correct name. So you will find the local website in the folder Abdul Wahab. Here you can see it's Abdul Wahab in my computer, in my MacBook. Okay, so go to the website, and right now it has the default theme, so you need to, let's see, Blocksy is correct name. Install and activate Blocksy theme on the website, so please do it. So I think we should remove the please. Do it. That's sent. Okay, right now here you can see in this pet, it is also giving you some information that what is happening on the website, on the Codex. Now it is asking me, ChatGPT asking me for the access to the data. I'll give him that access, and here you can see I will find out the WordPress installed website. Here you can see this is telling me that what he is doing, WordPress CLI. So here you can see he find the actual website. Yeah, he find the correct website. Since installing global HTTP 20. So it will take a few more seconds to complete it. It's just completed the installation and activation of the Blocksy theme. Let's verify it. We'll go here on the dashboard. From the dashboard appearance theme, here you can see the Blocksy theme is installed and activated. So now we'll go him. Here you can see right now we don't have any page builder, so we'll go back to the Codex, long press. Now you need to install and activate the Elementor on the website beauty-salon.local. We'll click on it. That's mean it will not send to the further process, so we can read it, and we can improve the, if there is any mistake of spelling or format, we can improve that from here, and when we'll click it, it will be sent. So here you can see now it is accessing the local host, and it run a command, wp CLI command. Here you can see command. From here you can read the exact command what he sent, and you can copy that as well. So installing, right now it is installed successfully. So now it will give us final response that he completed the job after verifying. He is just verifying. Yes, Elementor installed active, and here is the version that he installed and activated. You can see that, and he told me that it's done. So let's see and verify it. We'll go back here. We'll go to the plugins, and here you can see he installed and activated. But right now we are not going to install the pro version because you don't need it. So we'll go here. Okay, now go back to the Codex. I'll add the response, the reference image. Here you can see. Okay, now I'll tell him I just added an image that of a hair salon landing page that you will create on the website beauty-salon.local, and for the images that you will use in this landing page, you can find them in my computer E drive folder, and with the folder name is beauty salon. In that folder you will have all the images for the hero section, background image, logos, and other images, even call to action images. All the images are available there. You will find those images and create this page. Thank you. So I will send this. I'll read that it the folder name should be correct, like let's see, E drive. Okay, E drive folder. Yeah, drive is actually used for the Windows, but here it is a folder. Okay, and beauty-salon.local, yes, this is also good, but I'll remove this dot. And names, beauty salon, folder name. Yes, everything is fine. Now we can send it as an instruction. So I'll send him. It will take a few minutes and he will create that. Here you can see previously for installing Elementor he just takes 37 seconds, and for the Blocksy theme it takes a little bit more, like 1 minute and 43 seconds, because that was first install. He was checking the system backup files and everything. Once he done, after that he have the record. What happens if it's all depend on your setup, that how you set up the things. If let me know you from where I set up these. I'll go to the settings and here personalization. From here personalization I enable the memory. Okay, what happens when he installed and activated Blocksy, he read all the files of this website. Okay, and he just save them in his memory, and later when he installed and activated the Elementor, he used those information. And I think I forgot to tell him that he need to create this page in Elementor. You need to create this page in Elementor. Let's see. And we can from here, because I forget about this instruction, so I will click on it and it will be sent. But first I would like to see what he is doing right now. I'll go here and in the pages, let's see what is there any page. No, right now he did not created any page. So yes, he did not created any page so far. Let's see what he is doing actually. Direct local WordPress. Okay, beauty salon folder. Okay, right now he is just accessing the folders and everything. So let's see what we do. I'll remove it and let's see what he will do, because he didn't we did not tell him told him that where he need to create this page. So let's see, he will create in Elementor or he will use some type of HTML code widget in the WordPress default editor, and he will code the whole page. So let's see what he is doing. I am adding actual landing page now. One home page, navigation, hero section, or these all things. Okay, he is telling me that he is doing. Let's see where he is doing. Let's refresh the page. No, still we don't have any page. Let's see what about this. This is a sample page, so he is not doing in it as well. Let's go here, and he is not doing here as well. Let's go to the Elementor editor settings, and here we have the theme builder. Let's see, he is not doing in header and footer because they are locked, because this is a free version. So let's go back here, pages. Yeah, still there is no page, but something he is doing, because here you can see he is editing a file, and you can see this all the code, the whole code he is writing. Here you can see this is the home page. Okay, once it will be completed, it will deploy, and then that page will be created. So we need to wait a little bit for this. Yes, beauty home, the page is created, but it will be deployed when this process will be completed. And here you can see now it is telling us the home page is file is ready. I'm creating it as a published WordPress page and switching this to the static front page. Okay, he is going to set up this page as the home page. So let's see, he actually So let's refresh the page. Here you can see the home. The home page is created, and as you know, I forget to tell him that he need to create this page on Elementor, and here you can see there is no edit with Elementor. That means he created this page on in WordPress default editor using HTML widget. Okay, he created that page in a coding in HTML and CSS, and he connected with this you can see shortcode, and using this shortcode it displayed this page on the front end. Here you can see the page is almost created, but still there is some issues that these actually what happened, the Codex or any AI agent, he will not create 100% perfect page. Okay, there will be some issues with the page that you need to fix them manually by editing that. But the advantage of this page, this Codex or any AI agent, is that it will increase the base level. Like you will start this page, creating this page step by step, by section by section, and widget by widget, and it will take to reach on this position where we are right now. It will take around 2 hours for you, but he skipped your 2 hours, so it saved you a lot of time. So let's see what he is doing right now. Still he is working. It is right now, it is testing, and it is telling that Chrome is taking a little bit longer than expected on the first headless launch. Yeah, this is headless because it used code for creating this page. He does not use any plugin or widget like Elementor. So let's complete it, and later we will ask him to create another page and using Elementor. That's, I will show you that how it will. So this is also a good experience that I forgot to ask him to create this page on Elementor. And you experienced this this mistake as well, and you will see that it created almost a good design. Like here you can see this is actually the design that we have. There is some little issues, like right now this page is its content is blocked, but its container is also blocked. Here you can see the background is not stretched to its full width. Here you can see the background is not stretched to full width. Like it starts from here and up to here. Like it have around it is about around 1140 pixel width. So but we need it to be full width. So the same thing is happening with the footer. It has some padding on left and right and at the bottom. So yes, this is not perfect, but I'll say this is something that he done very good. Even he used the code, but it increased our base level of working. Like if you need to, now you need to fix this page, you need to start from here instead of creating this stage and you put your around 2 or 2.5 hours to complete this. So this is a very good progress, I think. Let him complete, and after that, yeah, this is completed. So let's refresh the page. Let's see if in the final version he did any update. No, this is the final version that he created. So no problem. Let's go back and tell him. Actually, I forget to tell you that we need to create this design on Elementor. Okay, and you created it using your code, and then you added a short code on the front end that's rendering the whole page. So now I want you to create another page with the name Beauty Salon, and on that Beauty Salon page create the same design using Elementor. Okay, the content will be boxed, but the container will be full width, because the background colors and background images should be stretched to the edges of the page. Okay, so now you will create the same page and use all the same images, and you will create it on beauty salon page and using Elementor. Now let's see what he will do. Right now it is processing the voice to convert it into the text. Here you can see. Let's tell him another thing. Right now we don't have Elementor Pro, so you will use Elementor and complete this job, complete this landing page. Let's give it this prompt. Yes, the prompt is given, sent. Right now it is thinking. Actually it is processing this prompt that we given. Okay, got it. I leave the shortcode page, home page, and create a separate beauty salon page. Here you can see built as Elementor content, and he will tell us the structure should be. Here you can see full width section structure and with boxed inner container. So inner content. So let's see. And now he started. Elementor's free widgets are available. He just checked, and now he is checking that these features and these widgets are available that we will use for this website. And yes, now I'm going to avoid embedding HTML. So yes, HTML widget, I told him that you will not use. You will use the Elementor widgets. So I'm going to use Elementor regular sections, columns, and widgets. And now he started. He is creating the JSON packages. Actually Elementor use JSON files, so he will create the JSON packages and then he will add them in the page, and those widgets will be activated. Those widgets will be actually we can access those Elementor widgets, and we can edit them. If there is anything that we need to improve, that will be done. So previously it take 10 minutes and 44 seconds to complete the job using HTML code, but I hope it will take less time for the Elementor. I think it will take half time or maybe a little bit more. Here you can see right now he is writing the JSON files, and here on the side this pet is also telling us that I am generating the Elementor page through a small WP CLI snippet. Now let's WordPress create the widgets. Anyhow, this was a good experience, and I am happy that I did that mistake, that I did not told the Codex that he used Elementor, and he did that by custom coding. Let's see here, by clicking here you can see all these code that he is writing, and if you understand JSON, then you can also maybe edit this code. Let's suppose you want to increase the container width or these things, you can do that from here. And yeah, he is still writing this code, and we can cut from here because it has the tabs, and still writing. And here you can see the plus 342 and minus 0. This is GitHub format, that the plus 342 means that it added 342 lines of codes, and minus 0 means so far he did not removed any line of code. So this is the meaning of this command, and this is from the GitHub. So still he is doing that and he is running these commands. I found the exact issue database meta exist, but Elementor document 0 element sign. Okay, he's just doing things inside the Elementor. Still he is doing. Let's verify what he did so far. Let's go to the here and the pages, The beauty salon pages is created. Let's see what it has so far. Okay, it added the widgets and added the content. Maybe right now he is styling these these widgets. Let's see. Let's wait when it will finish. Oops, he done it, but the job is not done correctly. Let's refresh the page. Maybe it will be a bit. No. Okay, let's ask him to fix it. Let's take a full page. Okay, let's copy this image. Let's go back to here Codex, and let's give him the original design. So let's give it a prompt. I attached both images, the your design and the example design. You can see that whatever you design on the Elementor page, that is a completely mess. The content is also full width. I told you that content should be boxed. Okay, the purpose of making the container full width, because I need the background images and background colors to full width. So please fix this issue. And the layout of the page is completely changed, like somewhere, like in the call to action, there is no background color. So this is not created properly. This is a completely mess, so please improve it. Now let's send it to this. Let's delete this, and now send it this prompt, and let's see what he will do next. So now it started working. Right now here it is telling that what he given the prompt, he is just, yeah, right now the Elementor rendering, like, okay, I found another root cause. Elementor is applying CSS classes to widgets. Okay, the call to action and footer and everything he is telling. Right now he is actually decoding what he did. Okay, and he will go and find the root cause. What were the root causes due to which this design was not implemented correctly. Usually it create the design in the first attempt, the better version, but right now it's maybe due to the prompt that we given, he cannot decode that properly. That's why that's why this issue was happen. Let's see. Now he started actual work. Here you can see he is editing the Elementor beauty page, and here you can see it added 23 lines and removed 24 lines. So from here you can see the whole code. So right now he is working. Let's see what he did so far. We'll go to here, refresh. It's already improved. Here you can see the hero section is improved. You can see that. Okay, and this section is also good. Hero section is very good. This is also good. Let's go. This section need to do need some fixings, and this call to action is good, and this is also good. Gallery and testimonial is good. Yes, footer need some more work. I hope he is doing on it. Let's go back to Codex. Yes, still he is working on it, so I hope it will be fixed soon. Right now it is working. Inspecting navigation spacing low. So that's mean, yeah, he is working on the navigation bar. Let's see. He's working, I think right now he's working in the header. Let's refresh. Yeah, he is working right now. So let's wait. So he just marked the job as done. So let's see on the front end. I'll go here and refresh the page. Let's go. Here you can see The header is have some issue, but the hero section is good. About, and yes, our service is good. About, that is very good. Call to action is okay. This is also okay. Everything is fine. Just header and footer need to fix. Let's take a screenshot to the header. Command Shift 4, and I'll take this header screenshot. I'll send it to Codex. Again, I'll go back, and here is also some issue. Like, let me send this screenshot as well. Let's go here, add here. Let's go back. Let's take a screenshot of footer. Let's add it here. Okay. Now let's go to the file, original file, and I'll go to the E drive. Where is the beauty salon? And from here I'll go for this one, and I'll open this file. Okay. I will open this file. I'll open this way. Now I'll send him screenshot of original as well. Command Shift 4. This is the original design. Let's send it again back to the image. Now I'll send this image. Let's copy this image. Now let's go to the footer and Control Shift 4, copy this, and here is the footer, and I'll send it to Codex. Now I'll give it instructions. Right now the design is much better than previously, but I sent you images of those elements where we have still issues. Like in the header, you can see the alignment of items in the header, that is not good. Okay, it is the full header is actually left aligned. So I'll send you the original image where the logo is left aligned and the menu and button is right aligned. So but you will compare both design, your design and original, and fix that issue. The second issue is in the hero section, the two call to action buttons. Below those buttons there is a star rating. Okay, star rating has some images as well, so please check that. And star ratings are also not properly aligned in the hero section, so you will fix that issue as well. And in the footer, so footer, you can see that I know you used it row direction, and but the at the copyright text is also in the same column, so same row. So please fix this issue. I think you should need to make it wrap to fix this issue. So you will compare the both your designed footer and the original footer. I added that as well, and fix this issue. You can see that I given prompt in natural language. That is a messy prompt, and it has some extra information that he can take or ignore. So let's see what he will do now. Actually, what happens when I was right now it is taking time because I'm explaining the things, and that's why there is some issue with the prompt as well. But when I created the same design personally, then it just take like 3 to 5 minutes, and the first prototype was absolutely good. That was acceptable. So sometimes it happened when you are working with the AI, because behind the agents there are some LLMs that process your prompt, and sometimes they take a different meanings and do the things with different approaches. That's why these issues come. So let's see now in this, after this prompt, what he will do. Right now it is connecting with the database. Here you can see it started working. Like it's telling me that I will fix the 3 specific areas in the Elementor page itself, like header alignment and heroes rating with the avatars, and footer copyright wrapping into its own bottom row. Yeah, that's fine. And I'm going to keep this focus, add a small CSS override layer for those exact layout issues. So right now it started working. Here you can see it is adding the code as well in the JSON. These red lines, they are actually removed. So here you can see the 5, 1 2 3 4 5 right now. He removed 5 lines of codes. Here you can see there is no other, and all the greens, they are newly added code of lines of codes. And this cute pet is will keep on telling that what he is doing right now. He is running command. You can see the command as well. Here you can see no syntax error, like the lines were good. Here you can see this can fly. So let's see on the front end if he did anything so far. Let's refresh the page. Yes, the header is good now. The header is working very good. And yeah, he added the avatars, but still this is not properly aligned. I'm sure he is doing on it. You can see right now he is fixing the things on its own. Here you can see this is fixed, but I think he will leave it as it is, because we did not specifically told him about this. But I think maybe he will fix that as well. Auto recognize the issue and fix that. Let's see. So right now he is telling us that he give it 100% weight to the copyright widget, like 4 minutes and some seconds, and still he is working. Let's see on the front end if he did some changing. Here you can see these avatar is right now this image box is also well aligned. He fixed its structure and layout. Let's go for the footer is also fixed. I think this is the what we can get the best. The footer is fixed. So the only thing that we need a little bit padding here, top padding with this image box, and then everything will be fine. Let's see. Let's go to the here. Still he is doing something, like you can see that. So I hope he will fix that issue as well. So now he marked the task as done. So let's see on the front end. Let's go here, refresh the page. Yes, this is good. He did not added any padding here, but still it is looking good. We can add the padding. Here you can see, you can go that everything is fine. Yeah, here we also here need some padding, but it is not right now. So let's see the original design. Here you can see the original design. It is little bit padding here and everything is good. When we'll go here, yeah, here this is fine. Like here we don't have any padding right now. So this design is good, and the footer is good. So everything is good right now. So let's go and check it in the Elementor. Let's click on it and let's see he actually did that in Elementor. we have the widgets. Yes, here you can see we actually have the widgets where he completed the job. Here you can see is all the, this is an, okay, he added code for it. So let's go here and we will add a padding, top padding. Let's make it 20, save it. Yes, and rest he used, actually he used the button widget, and here button widget. And let's see, yes, here you can see he added some custom coding to emphasize this part, confidence, confident you. So this is very good, I think. Let's go here in this section. Yes, here he used the title, and this is an icon. Then yeah, this is very good. Yes, I think he did a very good thing. Yes, approved. This is a very good. Let's see on the front end. Yeah, now we have some padding here as well. That is good. So these small tweaks that you need to do, whatever the AI agent you will do at the, when he will complete, you need to do some small tweaks to fix and to finalize the design, to fine tune it. Here you can see everything is done correctly. So this is the landing page that we have created with Codex. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching.